Welcome to the tutorial. I am your trainer Dhruvu, and today we will be quickly guide through another important prevailing feature of InSWOT, the tab called Insert. It is just the next tab after Home tab, and a lot of important features are added over here by which we can do a lot of things related to your project, related to your InSWOT document. So let's see how many segments or groups we have in the review of Insert. First is page, next is table, illustration, link, header and footer, text, symbols. So these are the variety that we have, and under that we have a lot of other options. So first concentrate in the page option. In page we have cover page. I'm sure everybody is aware of what is cover page. When you're doing your project or you're doing some work assignments, you need to submit that with a cover page, right? With your name, with your school details, subject details and everything. So same way over here we can do this kind of cover page. See here I have given a project name all about Insert tab Dhruvu Jyoti Sen, that is my name, year 2020. Here you can write a little bit about your project if you really want to give it. Here you can write your roll number, class, teacher number, or anything that you want to actually include over here. So this is all about your cover page. So there are multiple options by which you can select any of the cover page that you want actually. If you don't want, remove the cover page. No cover page from office.com. If you're connected to internet, you can go over there from office.com. You can find your cover page. I'm sure that you everybody aware that MS Word is an office package where you can get MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Access, Publishers and so many other things also. So you can go over there and you can find something which is related to your topic, probably about the cover page. Now quickly move on to the next option, that is blank page. Go to a page over here and click blank page. You'll see what happened is a new page will be inserted just after the current page where I was writing. So a new page will be inserted. There's another option, that's a trick. If you really want to add a page, you can quickly press enter and go to the bottom of the page and you will see another page will be added. So this is the a quick trick, but this is a decent way to add a new page just after your current page. Page break. Now I have already taught you about page break in the page layout tab, but if you really are interested to know what is page break, then let me tell you, the name itself shows that when I want to give a break to that current page and I want to stop writing over there and want to continue from the next page, so that time I should use a next page. Over here declining, I want to keep text still declining and then the next text should come into the next page. So I'll go over here and click on page break, and see the moment I have clicked on page break, the text is gone to the next page. So this indicates there is a break and this one will be blank, and post that the next text part will start from the very next page of the text that we are doing page break. Now another very important thing about InSWOT is here, not only we can do documentations, we can also do data representation with the help of table. So if you really want to use table, then you have to go to table option, and over here you see there are 10 by 8 columns and rows are there. I'm sure you know what is column, what is row, but for the beginners, these horizontal lines are called columns, and these are rows. These are the columns and these are rows. The verticals are always columns and these horizontals are rows. So in normal way we have 10 into 8 tables. It is very easy to insert a table. You just need to go to table and you just need to glide through your mouse cursor till you want to expand your table. So I have kept this much. This is my table, and over here I can write anything like serial number, then name, then class, probably roll number, section, now over here I can type things, but suppose we need a little bit more rows in the table. So what will do? Again I have to go and I have to insert. No, that will be difficult. So what we can do from keyboard, if I go and type tab, 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 and in the very last cell I reach and press tab, then I'll see another row is added. So this is the way we can add a row. Now if you really want to delete some row, you can go over here, select the entire row, right click and delete manually. If you do that, it will be deleted. You can delete column 2. Select the entire column and delete column. So it will be deleted. So we can delete row and column at the same time. You can merge cells too. You need to select 2 cells together, and over here there is an option called merge cell. So the moment you will do that, 2 cells will be joined and it will become 1 cell. If you really want to add some columns, then you need to select the entire column and go over here and right click option, and then you will find there is insert option. In insert option you will find insert columns left. That means the previous column, like the current column which you have selected, the new column will be added just before that column. Right means it will be added right next to the current column. You can also insert row above and below, and you can also add some insert cells too. So let me insert a new column. So this is the way we can add new column, and then we can delete column. All the thing that you have to do is select the entire thing, and then you have to do your prescribed process. Text direction. Now let's move on to this one. This one is very fun part of this. Go right click and go to text direction. This dialog box will be opened, and from there you can orientate your text according to your wish. So you can make like this, either like in horizontal way, or in a vertical way, or in a flipped vertical way. Anything that you wish. I prefer flipped vertical way. See how it looks like. So you can also do this thing also. There are multiple things that you can do with. Let me go back to the original one. Next, go to cell alignment. There are cell alignment is there by which you can select how your text will be. Let me go into this one. There are multiple options. Align from left, align from middle top, align from right top corner, align from center left, align from center, align from center right, align from left bottom, align from bottom center, align from bottom